Welcome to AI Pro Tech. Today we're diving into a surprising tech mystery surrounding the Nintendo Switch 2. So here's the situation. The Nintendo Switch 2 does have a variable refresh rate screen. It's also known as VRR, a feature that smooths out gameplay by syncing your screen's refresh rate with the frame rate output by the console. It's a game changer for titles that can't consistently hit 60 or 120 FPS originally. Nintendo even advertised that VRR would be supported while docked. Great news for gamers with VRR-compatible TVs. But then, suddenly, all mention of VRR in docked mode disappeared from the official site. When a Steam Deck was plugged into the Switch to dock, it output 4000 at 120 Hz with both HD and VRR, confirmed firsthand with tools like Virtus, and observed on high-end TVs like the Samsung S90C. The same thing worked for devices like the Lenovo Legion Go S and the Asus ROG Ally X, and on May 16th, Nintendo issued a public correction. VRR works only in handheld mode. Why doesn't Nintendo enable it for the Switch 2 in docked mode? But here's the twist. The Switch 2's dock does support VRR. How do we know? Because it works when used with other devices. Even smaller dips to 55 FPS in otherwise smooth games create visible stutter when VRR isn't available. Nintendo's own Welcome Tour demo showed it working smoothly, but recent tests found VRR inconsistently implemented in real-world games. But with VR, are already proven to work through third-party devices using the same dock. It's clear the hardware is ready. It's just a matter of when Nintendo will let it shine. Issues like frame jutter and unstable performance are still showing up, especially in demanding titles like Hitman or Cyberpunk. So if the handheld supports VRR, and the dock supports VRR, that's the big mystery. Games like Cyberpunk 2077 or No Man's Sky, which struggle to hit TFPs, would massively benefit from docked VRR, and it's not like VRR is completely broken. So what gives? It's possible Nintendo just isn't ready to fully unleash the feature on the big screen. Maybe due to optimization concerns, maybe due to quality control. What do you think? Should Nintendo enable VRR in docked mode now, or wait until it's perfectly polished? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like button if you found this interesting. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives like this one. This is AI Pro Tech. See you in the next video.